Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best pink balloons are probably one of the most delightful and versatile decorations you can choose to elevate any celebration, instantly transforming a simple gathering into a vibrant, memorable event. And today we're diving deep into what makes these festive spheres a must-have for birthdays, anniversaries, or just adding a pop of joyful color to your next party. Number 5. GOER 30th Birthday Hot Pink Number 30 Balloons. Make your 30th birthday or anniversary unforgettable with these vibrant balloons. They are designed to add a special touch to any celebration. Each package provides everything you need: a stunning 42-inch hot pink number 30 foil balloon, an inflatable straw, and a 10-meter ribbon. This ensures you're ready to decorate right out of the box. Crafted from polymer double-layer thickening anti-explosion material, these are both light and sturdy. Simply fill them with 90% helium, and they will gracefully float, enhancing your party's ambience. Not just for one event, these balloons are designed for reuse. You can enjoy their festive charm for multiple occasions, making them a smart and sustainable choice. They are perfect for decorating your 30th birthday party or any anniversary event. These balloons are sure to leave a deep and lasting impression on all your guests. Rest assured, these balloons are made from food-grade material. This means they are completely safe and non-toxic for all your celebratory needs. What we like? This balloon stands out with its impressive 42-inch jumbo size. Its double-layer, anti-explosion material ensures durability and safety for your event. If you are looking for a large, robust, and reusable centerpiece for a milestone celebration, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. PartyWoo Pink Balloons Arch Kit. Transform your next event with this stunning pink balloon arch kit. It includes 140 pastel pink balloons in various sizes, perfect for creating a beautiful garland. Elevate your baby shower, birthday, or princess party decorations effortlessly. This comprehensive package provides 140 pastel pink balloons in 4 different sizes: 18, 12, 10, and 5 inches. Please note, the smallest balloons are not designed to float with helium, but they are perfect for adding volume to your arch. Crafted from high-quality, thick latex, these balloons are designed for durability. They stay full longer, making them ideal for creating lasting arches, garlands, and centerpieces. Your decorations will look perfect from start to finish. These balloons feature standard necks for quick and easy inflation with air. When filled with air, they can stay full for up to 72 hours. They are perfect for bringing joy to any celebration, from birthdays to baby showers. For the best results, avoid overfilling them and protect them from direct sunlight, heat, sharp objects, and excessive friction. Control the air amount to achieve your desired balloon size and ensure a beautiful display. These versatile balloons are ideal for a wide range of celebrations. Use them for baby showers, birthdays, bridal showers, gender reveals, or princess parties. They will make your event truly memorable and enchanting. What we like? This extensive kit provides 140 pieces in assorted sizes, perfect for creating a grand display. Made from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay full longer. If you are planning a large-scale event and want to build an impressive balloon arch or garland, this comprehensive set is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Hot Pink Number 30 Balloons. Make your birthday celebration extra special with this 40-inch number balloon. It's perfect for creating a playful backdrop for memorable photo shoots, bringing smiles to your loved one's face. Add excitement and style to your party today. This ultimate party accessory offers versatile inflation. You can fill it with helium for a floating effect or natural air to hang it as a decoration. Either way, this sturdy balloon won't disappoint, ensuring long-lasting celebrations. These birthday number balloons feature a vibrant, luminous hot pink hue. They exude timeless elegance, creating an enchanting focal point for your party. Their gleaming opulence bathes your event in a warm, lavish ambience. Save time and effort with its self-sealing design. You can easily inflate it with a straw until 90% full. After the celebration, simply deflate it for future use, making it a convenient and reusable decoration. Ready to throw a birthday party like a pro? These hot pink decorations are a must-have for your celebration. They make a great focal point and can match any hot pink theme, perfect for any age. What we like? This balloon offers a radiant hot pink elegance in a 40-inch size, creating a dazzling focal point. It's versatile, working well with both helium for floating or air for hanging. If you appreciate a vibrant, elegant look and value the convenience of self-sealing and reusability, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 2. Pearlescent Pink Number Balloon 40-inch. Make your celebration extra special with this stunning number balloon. It's perfect for creating a playful backdrop for memorable photo shoots, bringing smiles to your loved one's face. Add excitement and style to your party today. This ultimate party accessory works for any age celebration. You can inflate it with helium for a floating effect or blow it up with natural air to hang it as a decoration. Either way, this sturdy balloon won't disappoint, ensuring long-lasting celebrations. It features a vibrant, luminous pink hue that exudes timeless elegance. This creates an enchanting focal point, bathing your event in a warm, lavish ambience. Elevate your occasion with its dazzling brilliance. Save time and effort with its self-sealing design. Simply use a straw to inflate it to 90% full, then easily deflate it after the party for future use. This makes it a convenient and eco-friendly choice. Ready to throw a birthday party like a pro? These pink party decorations are a must-have for your celebration and are super cute too. They make a great focal point and an awesome prop for snapping photos with friends. What we like. This 40-inch balloon features a unique pearlescent pink hue, adding a touch of sophisticated elegance. Like some others, it's compatible with both helium and air, offering flexibility in decoration. If you are looking for a subtle yet luxurious pink shade and appreciate easy inflation and deflation, this one is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Therefore, no positive features or facts about pink 30 balloons can be quoted. Number 1. PartyWoo Baby Pink Balloons Arch Kit. Transform your celebrations with this beautiful balloon arch kit. It provides everything you need to create stunning decorations for any special event. This kit includes 123 pieces in various sizes, 18, 12, 10, and 5 inches. Please note, the 5-inch balloons are best filled with air, as they may not float with helium. Crafted from high-quality, thick latex, these balloons are designed to last. They stay full longer, ensuring your decorations look perfect from start to finish. These balloons have standard necks for quick inflation. When filled with air, they can stay full for up to 72 hours, bringing lasting joy to your party. Whether it's a baby shower, birthday, wedding, or graduation, this kit is ideal. It helps make your event more memorable and visually stunning. Remember not to overfill them and avoid sharp objects or excessive heat. Control the air amount to achieve your desired balloon size for a perfect display. What we like. This kit provides 123 pieces in a delicate baby pink shade, perfect for softer themes. Its thick, durable latex ensures longevity for your decorations. If you are organizing a baby shower, gender reveal, or princess party and need a large quantity of high-quality, gentle pink balloons, this set is a great fit. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.